real quick. So this is Easter 2011, and Liddy got a bunny. What are you doing?
Where's the bunny?
Oh, she's so happy.
Is that your baby?
Hey, Liddy.
And then this is how it is. Wait, take it away.
Well, be soft, be soft, be soft, be soft, be soft, be soft. Be soft. Good job, London. Oh, best big sister. London, who's the best? No, you're the best. What are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, what's today?
It's Easter time.
Who do we who are we celebrating on this day? No. Jesus.
Who's Jesus? Who's Jesus?
Is there a picture of Jesus in this room?
Yeah.
Where?
Jesus in our room.
Where's the picture of Jesus?
I don't hear.
Oh, right there?
Where's Jesus in our room?
Oh.
Come here. Show
Let's
us.
do this, Steven.
Oh, yeah.
I don't
No, hold on. I want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
So, how old are you?
I'm 2.
Oh, okay, you're 2. Cute. Here, go stand over there.
No.
No, go stand. I got to ask you some questions, and I'll show you after. I'll show you right after. How old are you?
I'm 2.
Okay. What's your favorite TV show?
Pink TV.
What's your favorite TV show?
Black.
No.
Dora.
I want to laugh.
What else?
I want to laugh.
What's your favorite movie?
My Ringo.
Rango?
Ringo.
No way.
No.
What about Tangled?
No, Ringo.
Oh, Ringo.
Oh, okay. Who's your favorite cousin?
That's my cousin. Simon Dave.
Who else?
And then
And who else?
Fiona.
Okay. Can you sing me a song?
I love to see the and you pray for the temple with house of God. Pray for heaven beauty up the pyramids now. Well, I'm in God. This is my sweet duty.
Woo! That was funny. She's definitely got her dad's voice. Little tone deaf. But beautiful. Okay, what is your favorite? What are you gonna do tomorrow? Play with Bowen?
Yeah,
What else?
orange.
Okay. What are you gonna do right now?